Hey everybody, my name is HardDuckMan and welcome to Dreamland Genesis. We're playing as a ghost hunter, investigating a cursed, insane asylum. Ooh, that's pretty scary. We have to figure out how these people died, because they didn't die normally. You know, not even going mentally insane, or killing themselves, or dying, or getting murdered, but some weird other way. And me, you, we're gonna find this out together. Let's begin. Ooh, it's menu music. Currently, it's not full screen for me. Why is it not full screen? I'm trying to make it full screen here for myself. Oh, there we go. Nice. Okay, let's begin. So as a ghost hunter, are we gonna go in solo? And not with a team, because obviously it's a horror game. We're gonna make stupid, dumb decisions. That's a very erotic statue. Ma'am, oh my goodness. No wonder people went insane here. I can see with those hocking boobies. But then they realize they aren't real. Sorry. I'm getting a nice little intro sequence here. I saw this on the trailer for the game. What's down there? Oh, it's the intro. Nice. I like that. There's a good little intro to it. Alright, we showed up. We need a detective name before we... Detective? Or a fucking ghost hunter? Detective HardDuckMan on the case. Not a It's a case. It's a case. The case of the mysterious haunted asylum. We're gonna do the basics, check out the different rooms, if there's any good information. Alright, where are we at the moment? I guess that's where we came in, maybe? That's the step. Come on, ghost? You gotta be more subtle than that. You can't be creep crawling around that loud already. You're gonna give me a heart attack. You're gonna give me a stroke. Also, I don't know why my reaction was just so mute. That was weird. I heard something nearby. Someone's opening a door. Someone's doing some weird business. Okay, we gotta look for clues of ghosts. We gotta look for documents. See what happened to these people. Picked up diary. How do I read it? Wait a minute. I need to go look at the controls. How do I read the diary? I want to read the diary. Give me the diary. Oh, do I not get to read it? Do I kind of just pick it up? Is that... Okay. Cool with that. Let me get this paper too. Can I not take... Okay, well, I guess not. Okay. I guess I can't do that. I guess my goal is just to collect all the notes. Maybe like a Slenderman-esque style thing. That door's locked. We're gonna need a little key. Key for the keyhole. Key for the keyhole. Oh, hey! Are you the pizza lunch lady? Are you the pizza lunch lady? Did you put drugs in their food? Is that why everyone's gone crazy? Is that why they've all gone bonkers? So bonkers crazy because you put drugs? You drugging the people? Probably what you're doing. Probably drugging these folks. All these plates are just smashed. No one, like, God, I'd go insane too. Eating off broken cutlery? Glass in your mouth? Like, fuck that. Here's this... very nice statue. I like that statue. Ah! Oh my! Hey, ma'am! You should stay dead. Stay dead. Just picked up report. Good. I'm getting all the reports. I'm literally the best detective here. Literally the best detective here. Knock, knock. Who just opened the door? Who's down here spooking me? You can't get me. I'm Ghost Hunter HardDuckMan. Professional. Alright, there's nothing in these bathrooms. It's not yet. This looks perfectly normal. The way this room is so big and open. Yum, this is a regular day. Might I play a tape? Maybe I have to get a tape first to play. That would make sense. Is there a tape in there? I have no clue how those fucking things work. Picked up documents. We got more. Good. How many do we got? 3 out of 10. And there's 3 secrets. Okay. We can do this. Before we head out to other places, I want to cover the ground floor. Just so we got all the stuff here, and we'll move on. That just scared the... I know I didn't react. I know I didn't scream. I felt like I'm gonna take this, man. Okay, I'm gonna leave. Oh, wait, what? Where are you? Why is she not in here? Why can I only see through the glass mirror? Oh, alright. Goodbye then, nice lady. We're definitely working with ghosts here. Definitely ghosts. Think that's pretty apparent? Pretty apparent? But we already knew that. We're here to find the deep, juicy, meaty secrets of the asylum. And I know down that staircase, that's where the little intro sequence led us. So we're definitely gonna go there. But I should probably check all these rooms first. Get all these notes. Don't want to miss stuff. Oh, hello. Ah! Don't scare me! I get scared enough! Jesus Christ! I picked up more notes. Great. I'm super glad to be finding these notes and everything. This... God. What were they doing to you? What were they doing to you? Did they touch you in your no-no square? Did they no-no touch you? Did they touch you in the no-no there square? I'm sorry. Must be terrible being traumatized like that. I'm very sorry for that. That's a horrible experience and no one should ever have to go through. No one. What's in the fridge? Door creaks. There's creaky doors in the fridge. God, I would not want to eat creaky doors. Who's out here eating creaky doors in the fridge? Only the weirdos eat creaky doors. I eat grease doors. Any interesting papers there? Nope, nothing. These papers I can pick up? Yes, indeed they are. More information on the case. Get those juicy deets. Those juicy details. Those juicy details. The door's locked, so I need keys. Ah. I need keys. I found a key. An old rusty key. Very unspecific. But also very specific. Is it to that auto... I hate that door's open. Oh. I can take a bath in here? Oh. I like to clean myself. Let's clean this up. That lady I saw earlier should probably take a bath as well. Belle, Delphine, Ah! No, that's real scary. There's a formula for it? How the hell do you make a formula for Belle Delphine's bathwater? Ah! Jesus! Why are you skating like that? Jesus, like, I mean, like, nice moves, but... Come on. Maybe he's not such a bad guy. I mean, he doesn't... He's kind of been chilling. I mean, you see that sick roll he just did? A ghost would have just appeared once and then disappeared. But he was making himself known by teleporting back in a few times. Dude was a homie. Big homie. Moments. Okay, we're in here. Oh! Ma'am! You good? I'm here, don't worry. Private Ghost Man. It's Ghost Duckman here. Don't worry. I've got the thing under control. Everything's fine. Everything is perfectly fine in my hands. You've got nothing to worry about. You've got nothing to worry about. I am the HardDuckMan. Here at your service, ma'am. You are good. You are absolutely golden. So no need to worry about anything going on. Are you down here? This is the bad room. This is the bad room. This is where the intro of the game took place. This... Oh, that's a... Why is it so white? Why is it so white? It's so white in there. I don't like that room. Hello? Any individuals in this spooky room? No. No one's in there. Hello? No one's in there. The light turned on, I believe. Hey guys. Everybody, I'm gonna... Ah! Yo, my man! What's up? Nice to see ya! Good. At least thank you for letting me know you were there. I appreciate that. I appreciate that. You didn't just do a jump scare, you let me know. That's what homies do. That is what homies do. So I appreciate that. You're a good guy. Good guy, good guy. So there's obviously... Ooh, oh my god, you guys weren't burned? You got door slamming powers. Love those door slams. You're doing great. Oh! Let me grab the note. I've got enough. Now I can leave. Now I can leave. I can leave. Yep, I can leave. I can leave. I've got all the information I need. There is like... I found one of the secrets. Okay. There's 2 more secrets I didn't find. That's fine. I don't need all the secrets. I just want to leave. Just want to leave. Just want to leave. I want to get out of here. I don't like... I'm gonna skedaddle. Ghost Hunter. Hey. How you doing? How you doing? I know you're a ghost. I know you're probably a little angry that you're dead. That's completely understandable. If I was dead, I'd be a little pissed too, because I don't want to die. But I am the ghost detective. Fuck it. I'm a ghost detective. Ghost Detective HardDuckMan. Austin H. I don't know what my name was. I'm the ghost detective. That's what's important. I need to get through with these papers, and I know you're not gonna like that. So let's tussle. I'll tussle with the spirit. Let's go. Tussle with me. You're flexible, my man. Oh, you're gonna... I'm just gonna sneak past you. I'm gonna sneak past you. Shit, I must have dropped my gun somewhere. Where's my gun? Holy... Oh my god. Okay, I didn't realize you had those kind of powers. Oh, my man's levitating. Where's my gun? I've got a gun? Since when did I have a gun? Oh, okay. Hey. That's Wait, he's doing a Nazi salute. He's a Nazi! He's a fucking Nazi! He's a Nazi ghost! Grab the gun, kill the Nazi ghost! I can't pick up... What's going on? I see the gun. I'm gonna... You come around here. Look at the boob lady. Look at the big boobs. Why? What? Interact with the gun! Come on! Come on, boob lady! Get me backed up here, boob lady. Got it! Aim for the head. Gotcha! Boom! Yeah, you wanna know one? I missed. I'm pervert. Am I the pervert or you're the pervert? Oh, are you trying to touch my junk? Yeah! Oh, you were the one doing the diddling. It wasn't other people here. You were the diddler. I just shot you. I just killed a ghost. A spirit. He's got murked. Oh, he's getting back up. Common ghost rules. They don't... He's gonna die? Like, just... Wow. Just like that. He's gone. I'll see you later. Nice seeing you, dude. Great place you have here. Well, that was that. That was Dreamland Genesis, a game by Megabyte Media. I really liked that for what it was. It was simplistic. I liked kind of the note capturing styles. I would really like it though if we actually got information from the notes, because the premise of the game is we're you know, a ghost hunter. We're trying to figure out how these guys died, the weird ways they died, but we don't actually learn that. I feel like if the creator of this game is listening right now to this video, if you add some story to the notes, that would... Perfect. Perfect. I feel like that's from when I played, that's what the game's missing. But other than that, really enjoyed it. Great little experience. And for everyone who stopped by to watch that with me, thank you. Thanks for watching. Like the video, comment on the video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on post notifications if you don't want to miss a new upload whenever I do. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in whatever I do next. Peace, peace.